I would potentially even use an analogy of baking a cake. Each baker would use different ingredients, but it depends on the purpose of why they're baking the cake in the first place. And, you know, for me, if you are trying to make something effective like an awareness program that's going to have real impact and have and create behavior change, you really need to know what it is that you're actually setting out to do and what needs to be included, what should be included, what could be included. So for me, a good needs analysis. Again, go back to the cake analogy. Start out, why am I baking the cake in the first place? What's the purpose of this? Am I doing it for pleasure, for my own good, or am I doing it for a competition, or am I making it for a customer or a client? So there's that element. I would say understanding what success looks like. So really defining what the solution to your problem is and what the success will look like. Again, we'll look at the cake, then we could say, what's it got to taste and what's it got to look like? Does it have to look a specific way? Does it have to be a certain color? Does it have to have certain ingredients and taste a certain way? So from once we know what it is we're trying to achieve and understanding what the success looks like, then we come to the detail, which is actually make sure it's engaging. You've really got to have a program that's engaging and it's conducted in a way in which it's approachable. Because at the end of the day, nobody wants a cake, or nobody wants to make a cake that nobody likes. So if you make a program it meets all your requirements and you've defined what your success criteria looks like and you've started to create the content, you're actually making the cake itself, there's no point in doing something that nobody's going to want to engage with because you're not going to have any impact.